GameStop getting ready to go green again? Well, you'd think so, with how much attention it's getting from CEO Ryan Cohen, intensifying the pursuit of eBay while abandoning a proposed performance-based compensation package that could have been worth up to $35 billion. Cohen said, removing the award allows management to focus entirely on operating performance and the proposed acquisition, while also committing $500 million of his own capital to demonstrate confidence in the bid. GameStop reaffirmed that it remains committed to acquiring eBay despite the online marketplace rejecting its unsolicited cash and stock offer, which valued eBay at roughly $56 billion. GameStop plans to release additional materials outlining the strategic rationale, financing approach, and operational plan for a combined business. Cohen argues that eBay is underperforming, burdened by excessive costs, and well-suited to GameStop's growing collectibles and resale business. His vision involves expanding live commerce, reducing operating expenses, and eventually developing marketplaces for digital collectibles and gaming assets. Alongside its acquisition efforts, GameStop raised its outlook for the fiscal year ending January 2027, forecasting adjusted EBITDA of more than $600 million, compared with $345.4 million the previous year. It also reported sharply improved profitability, with quarterly net income rising substantially from the prior year. Despite the optimism among supporters, significant hurdles remain. eBay's board has dismissed the proposal as neither credible nor attractive, citing concerns over financing, governance, and leadership. Investors and analysts also question how GameStop would finance the acquisition of a company several times its own size, while legal challenges related to the withdrawn compensation plan and corporate governance continue. Even so, GameStop maintains that the proposed acquisition remains central to its long-term strategy.